Today, we are going to solve two elapsed time problems using different methods. Measurements are useful because they help us answer how long, how far, how heavy, and how much. Time is different from most other measurable objects because it cannot be seen or felt. Elapsed time problems involve determining time intervals between a start time and an end time. It can be challenging because it's hard to decide what to do first. You might encounter issues with the AM and PM, and you might get confused with noon and midnight, or you might have challenges recording and keeping track of your problem-solving process. Well, elapsed time problems generally have a start time, an elapsed time, and an end time. Problems may differ in which component you are asked to find. A major reason why time poses a challenge for y'all is that time is a non-base 10 measure. In base 10, we're smaller units and groupings of 10 make larger units. For example, 10 ones make 110, and 10 tens make 100, and 10 hundreds make 1,000, etc. With time, smaller units are grouped by 60 instead of 10. For example, 60 seconds make 1 minute, and 60 minutes make 1 hour. A useful strategy for y'all to understand the time system is the Make 60 approach. So our question asks, suppose that it is 10:45 p.m. How many minutes until it is 3:30 a.m.? Well, we'll start with 10:45. And the easiest thing for us to do is find the hour that it's closest to. So the hour that it's closest to is 11 p.m. And we added 15 minutes to get to 11 p.m. Well, from 11 p.m., we can jump all the way to 3 a.m., and that's 4 hours. And the reason why I jumped from 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. and it was only 4 hours is because when it hits 12, it automatically starts all back over to 1 o'clock. So when 11 p.m., 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Now from 3 a.m., we can go to our end time, which is 3:30 a.m. And we added 30 minutes to that. Okay, so now we can add all of our hours and minutes up to see how many minutes has passed. So let's add 30 minutes plus 15 minutes. That equals 45 minutes. Now we have 4 hours. So 4 hours, well, let's think about that. How many minutes are in an hour? 60. And if there's 4 hours, then we're going to have to multiply that by what to get our total number of minutes? Right, 60. So 60 times 4 is 240 minutes. Now we can add these two together to get 5, 8, 2. So 285 minutes have passed from 10:45 p.m. to 3:30 a.m.